Axiom is hands down the best platform for trading meme coins. It's smooth, super fast and even has the lowest fees compared to any other platform out there. Plus, you can even claim back your Solana fees, which is honestly insane. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Axiom, and first things first, head over to Axiom. You can use my referral link to get a discount on your fees. It's in the description. Once you arrive at the site, sign up using your Phantom wallet. Since I'm already signed in, I can show the sign up process, but it's super straightforward. After logging in, you land on this page which looks like a deck screener, but honestly, you probably won't be using it much. The main thing you want to focus on is Pulse. This is where all the action happens. It's the core of Axiom. You will see new pairs, final stretch pairs that are about to migrate and already migrated ones. There are also various filters available. Axiom's filtering system is also the best. It's top notch. My favorite feature is the ability to exclude specific keywords. It's super helpful because certain coins pop up way too often. Cluttering your screen, you can filter out spam easily, making the platform much more usable. Other filters include metrics like market cap, transactions, liquidity and social insights. If you hover over the new pairs list and it stops refreshing, that's because if you just move your cursor away, it will refresh in real time. But if your cursor is on the new pairs list, it will stay stuck. So another cool feature is the quick buy option. You can fine tune this in settings. Axiom also lets you blacklist developers. If a dev has a history of scams, you can add them to your blacklist and avoid all of their projects. That's a unique and incredibly useful feature. Now let's talk about sniping set. You can adjust your slippage, priority fees and bribe fees to optimize your trades. Preset settings making this even easier, saving you time. We also have tracking tools, but we'll go to that in a moment. There's also a yield section. I don't personally use it, so I won't go into detail, but it's there if you want to explore. I also don't use the perpetual section really, but if you want to explore, it's also there. So now onto your portfolio. This section is pretty simple and probably familiar. You can track your performance, P&L, active positions, history. Nothing really complicated here, just a clean, efficient way to manage your holdings. My favorite section though is the rewards. This is where Axiom truly shines. You earn points based on your activity, and the more you trade, the better your rewards. I'm already at silver level, which boosts all of my rewards by 2.5x. Plus, you can claim back a portion of your Solana fees when you trade. There are also quests, so you can complete for extra XP. If you use my referral code, you will even get additional perks. So now let's talk about deposit. Adding Solana to your account is super easy. Just hit this button right here. Copy your wallet address and send funds over. Alternatively, you can buy Solana directly from Maxi, which is one of the safest way to do it. Another great feature is the ability to convert your Solana into USDC instantly. If Solana is dipping and you want to stabilize your holdings, just click and convert. It's that easy. Security is also super solid. In our account settings, you can manage your recovery key and add extra wallets. Let's jump into charting. When you select a coin, Axiom provides all the relevant data. Clicking the token name copies the contract address and you get direct links to its Twitter and market pages. Axiom also highlights renamed Twitter accounts in orange, helping you avoid scams. Another smart feature is the built-in Twitter search. Click a button and automatically looks up the coin's contract address on Twitter, showing recent tweets, and this really saves time when checking for this kind of sentiments and trends. Regarding charts, I prefer customized colors instead of the usual red and green. I use a blue and white gradient to avoid emotional bias while trading. If you want to change yours, just right click, go to settings and customize them however you like. You can even save templates for quick adjustments. Over on the right you will see your trades and wallet information. You can track top traders, developer token holdings and migration history. If a dev has migrated tokens multiple times, it will show up right here. Axiom also has advanced buy and sell options, including sniping on migration, auto selling when dev dumps the token, and you can preset your slippage and fees, making high-speed trading much smoother. If you want to have a deeper look at the token holders, there's a section for that too. You can see top holders, sniper wallets, insiders, even the percentage it's bundled, and liquidity pools, a lot more. Plus, Axiom supports bubble maps to visualize the wallets in bubbles, helping you to spot potential manipulations. Axiom's wallet tracker is another really good tool. You can follow specific wallets and track their trades, and even open it in a separate tab for better monitoring. You can also import and export wallets, even lists, which is a game changer if you're tracking multiple wallets. On the social side, Axiom has a built-in Twitter tracker. And while it's not perfect, it's really okay. If you're trading on a budget, this tool is a great starting point for catching your first really good coin. For server connection, you can tweak settings to optimize your trading speed based on your location. Axiom also allows UX customizations, so you can switch themes and layouts to your preference. Overall, Axiom Pro is the best platform for meme coin trading. I've used Photon, GMGN, Buex, Nova, Trojan, but Axiom stands out with its speed, low fees and powerful futures. After making this switch, I've never looked back. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. If this video helped you, I'm building this channel from the ground up and your support means a lot. Best of luck trading and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.